Most of us are spending this time at home and perhaps tackling a few projects around the house. I'm included in that. Yeah, from recycling to donating and other earth-friendly options in between. Alicia's here now with some ideas that maybe we can consider or need to do or just get inspired.
Absolutely. A lot of people are tackling those projects. We want to declutter the right way, though, making sure everything that can be reused or recycled gets where it needs to go. But with most donation centers closed because of COVID-19, we turn to an organizing expert in Wayne for ideas and some strategy.
I don't want people to look back on this and go, I wish I'd spent the time organizing my house. I've never had this kind of time available before.
So I want to create some space in my pantry.
Janet Bernstein of the Organizing Professionals says this is the perfect time to do some decluttering.
I think people can feel overwhelmed, so they don't know where to begin. And so I'm recommending just start small.
And start with 3 main piles.
Trash bags, recycle bags, donation bags.
For items that can't be trashed or recycled with your normal pickup, consider a junk removal service.
So companies like Junk Luggers and Philly Junk are accepting curbside pickup. So they will offer that, which is a fabulous resource.
Junk Luggers also says it aims to keep as much out of the landfills as possible. And right now, it's still working with donation sites in the area to make sure anything that's reusable gets to the right hands. With major donation drop-off sites and services closed to the public due to coronavirus concerns, another option for you is Give Back Box. Just fill your old shipping boxes with anything you want to donate, and they give you a prepaid label. Bernstein says the rule of thumb is this:
if you don't love it, need it, or use it, it doesn't deserve a place in your home.
Online resale sites like eBay, Poshmark, and The RealReal are still up and running right now. So it's a good time for a little retail recycling that also earns you some cash.
What a time to be able to making some money when somebody was struggling already.
And a lot of people can use a little extra cash right about now, and those post offices are still open as well. We have the full link to all of those resources for you right now on 6abc.com.